In these videos, we show you exercises Rudolf Steiner presented in a lecture called Nervous Conditions in Our Time. These exercises help to train presence in daily activities for engagement, interest, and joy in life. In modern life, we are all affected by the fact that our senses are becoming more and more one-sided and less used. Above all, the body-connected senses, such as the tactile sense, equilibrium, or the sense of movement, are passive, whilst the sense of sight and hearing are in permanent overactivity. This leads to an overload that can trigger various nervous symptoms. The interaction of thinking with the feeling and will is hindered. Through the reduced sense activity, we lose connection to the meaning of things in life. Moods and relationship experiences, inner images, and active mental connections lead us into a mental and spiritual level behind the everyday events. These too are sensory perceptions. If the bridge from the external sensory experience to the inner sensory experience is missing, the nerve processes lose their real basis, become unilaterally active, and develop disturbances. One becomes restless, compulsive, or simply put, nervous. The so-called nervousness exercises consist of 7 sequences, each with a practical exercise and a eurythmy exercise. The first 3 exercises are about gaining access to memory, remembering and dealing confidently with memory. In the 4th exercise, one gets to know oneself, the ego power, and how it becomes strong through attention. In the last 3 exercises, we activate our personal development potential, becoming active without losing oneself in the world. These exercises teach us to strengthen our memory, feel better, become more mobile in thinking, experience how others see us, handle our wishes more consciously, become secure in our decisions, and judge everyday situations more objectively. The exercises build up on one another, and we recommend you work through them for 1 to 2 weeks in a row. They each consist of a practical everyday exercise and a complementary eurythmy exercise, which we show in separate videos. The associated forms of nervousness are also presented in videos by Harald Haas. With these exercises, you develop presence in everyday activities. They create joy, interest, and engagement, even for everyday things.